Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact CarMax customer support. So if you want to contact the customer support, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After you open the browser, click on the search bar and type in carmax.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of CarMax. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. So if you want to contact the customer support, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find various sections like shop, seller trade, finance, about, careers, more. In the about section, you'll be able to find the option for contact us at second. So simply click on this option, contact us. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the contact us interface. In this interface, at first you'll be able to find the option for FAQ and support. If you think that your problem can be solved by simply going through the FAQs, you can simply click on the option of your choice. After that, you'll be able to see the frequently asked question and articles over there. You can simply read those articles and your problem can be solved. But if you want to contact the customer support, for that what you have to do is scroll down. In order to reach a car buying expert, you'll be able to find the options over here. You can either chat with them or you can also contact this number that you can see right over here. So if you want to reach a car buying expert via number, simply dial this number. After that, you'll be able to contact the customer support. Likewise, if you want to contact the CarMax Auto Finance, you'll be able to find the number right over here. All you have to do is contact this number. The contacting hours are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. On Saturdays 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET. So simply contact this number and you'll be able to contact the CarMax Auto Finance support. Likewise, you'll also be able to reach them on social media. You'll be able to find the social medias over here. If you click on any of this option, their account will be opened and you'll be able to reach to them via social media. The best way to contact them is via chat. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for chat with us. All you have to do is click on it, or you can also click on the chat icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Right now the chat box is not opening for me, but if the chat box is open for you, you can simply enter your message and send it to you and they'll reply to you promptly. So like this, you'll be able to contact the customer support. So that is how you contact CarMax customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.